Have you been wondering how to use ginger essential oil and what it's good for? Well, in this video, I'm going to go over that and more, along with some awesome stories about ginger essential oil. I'm Jenny Wilson, Master Herbalist and Essential Oil Educator. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I've been teaching about essential oils for the past 14 years, and I'm really excited to teach you all about ginger essential oil. So ginger is a wonderful oil for gut health. So if you watch to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to download my free ultimate guide to gut health with the guidelines of how to fix your gut health fast. Now, I want to start out asking you, how do you like using ginger essential oil? If you've used it, okay? Go ahead and pop it in the comments below. And then we can share a wealth of ideas and knowledge with all of our viewers and subscribers. So let's get started. So ginger has been used for thousands of years, both in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. Now, the greatest benefits of ginger come from its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which make it great for supporting the immune system and reducing inflammation in the body and the gut. Now, the health benefits of ginger essential oil are nearly identical to the medicinal health benefits of fresh ginger. In fact, the most potent form of ginger is the oil because it contains high levels of gingerol. It's also great for digestive issues, and it can help soothe an upset stomach or nausea. Now, it has been said that 1 drop of ginger essential oil is equal in medicinal therapeutic power as 28 cups of herbal tea. So it's strong. It has a warming and energizing effect on the body, and it can help improve circulation. Now, there are a few different ways that you can use the oil. When using ginger oil, it's important to note that this is a really strong oil. So I like to start with a small amount and dilute it with a carrier oil, such as fractionated coconut oil, which is light and absorbent. I like making my own roller bottles just like this. So as I mentioned, ginger oil is a powerful warming oil with many amazing properties. It can help support your immune system, reduce inflammation, soothe digestive issues, and improve circulation. Now, I use it in my very own warming oil blend for my hands and feet. So whether you use it aromatically, topically, or internally, if it's doTERRA brand, ginger oil is a very versatile oil that should definitely be part of your essential oil collection. Now, here are some stories of how some people use ginger essential oil. Adelina says, "This oil is a treasure. I used it for stomach discomfort and ended resting with a rested joint and shoulder, which was bothering me for a long time. Thank you." Okay, so Shelly says, "I use ginger in my taking a drive blend." Tess says, "Oh my goodness, this is so good." I have to agree with her. Melina says, "Sure enhances the flower of ginger cookies." Allison says, "How about this one? Soothing blend, rub with 1 drop of ginger and 1 drop of lemongrass." My body says, "Thank you." I cannot say enough about how much I love ginger. I make a tall glass of homemade ginger ale every day with sparkling water, 2 drops of ginger essential oil, and stevia. Delicious. I also added a drop to my chocolate protein shake, and that was pretty tasty too. Oh, I gotta try that. Michelle says, "I love adding 2 drops of ginger oil to my 100% carrot juice. Best taste ever. Awesome." Sherry says, "Ginger is one of my very favorite teas. It calms my stomach right now." Petra says, "Ginger not only helps people feel better during a car ride, but also helps dogs not get car sick. It even works on puppies." So you just take a small amount, dilute it with coconut oil, wipe the top of the bottle, this orifice reducer with the index finger, apply to a back paw. If the problem is more severe, apply to both back paws. Okay, so that's how you use it on your dogs. Thank you. Okay, and Sherry says, "Love ginger. I drink it in hot tea every night to keep my tummy calm." Diana says, "Love cooking with this ginger oil, especially making glazes with honey for squash and salmon." Oh, that sounds so good. Christine says, I drink this every morning and evening. I just add 1 drop of lemon and a pinch of cayenne pepper to your recipes. So delicious and boosts up your metabolism. Awesome. Jackie says, we are going on a cruise next month and I have mine ready to go. Ginger is really good for motion sickness, so that's what she's going to use it for. And as you can see, there are a lot of ways that ginger can help you, and it has many amazing benefits. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two about ginger essential oil. If you want to learn more strategies on how to fix or support your gut health, be sure to grab my ultimate guide to gut health. The link is in the description of this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.